everybody. We want to show you today one of our, probably the whole family's favorite part of this entire van, which is this super comfy sofa and sitting area.
Yeah, it's so awesome that it actually turns into our bed as well.
Yeah, we painstakingly converted it from an Ikea futon. And it even got more comfortable once we added some memory foam to make the sleeping really, really nice.
Yes, it's really amazing. It is the centerpiece of our living area as well as our bedroom, and super comfortable, plenty of space for all four of us. There is another cat that's out wandering around right now.
Yeah, I know there's some controversy. A lot of people like to have a bed permanently in place and not have to convert it every day. But we decided that the compromise was to be able to have our living space set up, basically drive our living room around. And when we stop somewhere, we can pull up, open the slider door, and sit in the comfort of our house and observe the outdoors. Like that one time that I forgot to even go outside because I was sitting on the couch enjoying myself.
Yes, and the bonus of that is it also turns into our office space. Double wide office space if we want, or we can go social mode with our flip around passenger seat. Just a lot. It's our kitchen cooking area as well. So this is where all the action happens.
Yeah, it's a really flexible spot. Loved by all. So why don't we show you a little bit more about what it looks like and how we convert from bed mode to couch mode.
Yep. All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Pretty simple. So the foam is actually in separated pieces back here, and you can see we have the soft foam on top, which is where we end up laying. It's a memory foam, and it really helps out the whole sleeping experience.
Yeah, the Ikea was a little too stiff for us.
Due to the tight fit, we have to do a little bit of improvisation here, but it just makes for a seamless fit as well.
Alright. There's our bed.
There you have it.
6.5 feet long and the width of a full-size bed.
Yep.
Super comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah. Little Mexico, here we come.
Should we show them how we put it back together?
Sure.
Finishing touches. Goes for you. And goes for me.
Voila. There you have it. Couch mode, otherwise known as social mode.